Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y90, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the app gallery, and after that here in the search pool we should enter Ampere, and now we should get this application. So just here click to get, tap to continue, and wait, tap here to download and wait just while our application downloading, and now tap to allow and installing on our device. Just click to install. Now just we can see that the Ampere app installed successfully, and let's go to the home screen, tap to the Ampere app to turn it on. Yes, click yes, I agree, tap to close, click OK, tap on the left down corner, and now we can see here the information about the temperature of our device battery, and in my case that's 31. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, device voltage, Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.